So in this interactive brokers tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to share your referral link here on Interactive Brokers. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go to the top left, select on the three horizontal lines, then scroll down to where it says Settings and press on that. Then go to the top here to where it says Account Settings, and then select on All Account Settings. It'll then bring you to this page right here, and when you're on this page right here, I want you to go ahead and select Refer a Friend, Get 200. It'll then bring you to this page right here, so if you can scroll down a little bit, earn 200 USD per referral, etc., etc. So we're just going to go ahead here to where it actually shows you your referral link. It'll then say how it works. You can go ahead and read that for yourself. Your unique referral link is, and it's going to go ahead and show you a link right here. You can go ahead and copy the link if you want, and then you can share this with your friends and then collect money that way if, of course, it follows the instructions. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to share your referral link here on Interactive Brokers. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.